What is going on, guys? I am back. I know I made a video yesterday, but I feel like I made a very shit video. So I think it's time to actually make a proper video about what's going on with this car and where we're at. And I was filming off a cell phone yesterday, which I hate doing. So here we are, we got the car. This is one of the wheels that have been widened. As you can see, we got a little bit of space, but this is not the actual wheel that we're going to be running on the car. This is going to be on the back of the car. And the other wheel is about that wide, so it's 8.25. So we are limited with space, but we're putting a bigger spacer on it to get the track a little bit more out. So the front wheel that I just showed you guys, this is what we're going to be running on the back. These are the practice wheels. I bought a set of spoons and we widened them. So it's got a big spacer that we're running in the front. We were running in the front. The clearance, well, there's not a lot of clearance there, but it just fits. In factory, I've got an M factory diff that we're just going to slot into there. We're going to clean this all out nicely, because you can see there's like a little bit of like dirt and shavings or whatever is inside here. Clean that all out nicely, give it a good wash, get it ready for fresh oil, take the gear sets out, drop the LS in there, because if you don't have an LS, you're not going to go fast. That is the bottom fucking line to it all. Make sure that the selectors are all selecting the gears properly, because we're going to be using all those gears. The money side, K24 A3. In the States this would be an A2 out of a TSX, but this is out of an Accord Type S, so it's the A3. The head was sent in just to get everything redone, so nothing fancy in the head, just got a Type R Integra. So out of my Integra, the cams that came out of there, we put the intake cam in here with the 50-degree RPC gear. We use the valve springs and retainers from the Integra's head, because they are way better than the K24 stuff. The magic is below here. Stock standard RBB Honda head gasket, pistons that are, I don't know, they called the RRC combo. Yeah. The RRC, right? RRC, yeah. RRC combo. The guys that I bought it from on the net said that it will make 13:1 compression ratio, scat rods, ARP rod bolts, and ACL bearings with K20 oil pump, so we can send this bitch to 9,000. We'll try 9 grand. We'll set it to 9, but we'll shift at 8.2. New rear sway bar from ASR. This thing is heavy. Like, I'm on a weight saving mission, but I guess now that I have a K-series, the weight is not that crucial. Obviously it is crucial, but not as much. So that's the size. I think this is a 17 mil, if I'm not mistaken, sway bar, and I've gone to a 25. So that little thing, I'll actually, and then I think it comes with all these brackets.
It just looks pretty.
Yeah, it looks alright. It's not in orange though. Look at even like these I don't know if they're anodized or they're galvanized or whatever, but it's just that extra little touch that makes it so much neater than.
That's the extra 1,000 rand.
Oh, yeah. Just like that. Magic. Got some grease in there. Nice. Those drop links are not tight, so that we can do corner weights. Got to clean all the overspray off a nice Alpha series arm, I think it is. Yeah, that's it. Looks good. So that's the LS.
Yes, sir.
As you can see, you can't see right through it, eh? No, you can.
Yeah, non-LS you can't.
Oh, non-LS you can't.
Yeah, the stuff. Yeah.
Oh yes, that's how it is. Oh yes, non-LS you can't see through. The LS you can see through. That's the mistake I got. There we go. Nice big hole in there. Looks complicated.
Yeah, some days it goes good, some days it don't.
Done. And just
Put
like
the cameras
that.
on, otherwise I wouldn't battle.
Okay, looky what we got cooking here. Paper thin. Look at that. Oh, look at this thing. I think this is a, judging by the weight, it's a 4-5 kilo. Yes. You think so? I gave it a light sand. Look at this, brand new second hand. I was looking for satin black, but I bought flat black thinking it was satin black, and it's like more like a matte, but it's okay. And this thing, I don't know if you remember seeing this was all sketchy and old and whatever. Just gave it a little bit of a rub, some thinners, and just blew with a spray can, and it's like brand new second hand. Oh, look at that. Thoughts?
Away.
Nice.
Rodney, you can do it, my boy. Well done.
Yeah. That, man, so clean and so pretty. Such a pity nobody can see this shit when you're driving.
That's the saddest part.
It's looking good, man. It's looking fucking awesome. Everything's on. The fork there, thrust bearing, everything. And that's about what we call a wrap for the day. Mounts are sorted. Got all the mounts in, not in, but they are here. The starter's in, bolted down. Just a bit of wiring. Got to put the intake manifold on. The valve cover will go on obviously once everything's inside the car. Box is on. We got that inside there. And I got my handful of grease. Nice. Water pipes need to be made up. Sump is in. Oil pump. Motors together. Valve clearance is done. Valve clearances are done. Everything is happy fucking dory. Trying to catch up where I last left off. Camera cut, battery died. So the other day we were finished buttoning up all these accessories. Right now I'm busy putting on mounts, front, back, putting the mounts inside the car, got them all sprayed up. I'm gonna be putting the brake booster delete kit bolted up to the flywheel, get a couple of things in there, and then gonna next time you see this, it's gonna be, there she goes in the hole. The boys are here. Motors in as of yesterday. We got some wiring pulled, manifolds on, fuel rail, feed line, return line. We got some blank offs. We looped this pipe from there to there. It's all blanked off. Exhaust is up there. And we're getting things done. We got the shifter in its place, and then we've got to sort out a bunch of wiring, fuel tank. It's getting there, but slowly. Checking side shafts, making sure the shafts are correct. The shaft's right, but we have to change the cup because the cup is not the same. So there's a lot to do. I don't know. Throttle body maybe tomorrow. And then I guess I'm just going to end this here. This is the progress to where we are. We've got 10 days before the next race. We've got 7 days before the dyno. Don't know if we're going to get it ready, but we'll try.
It is 1 week later since we put the motor in. That was last week Monday. And I gave you I don't even know if the motor was in when I gave you a proper walk around and description. So now I'm just gonna give you a walk around. Maybe we're gonna get a startup video, but I've been so involved getting the car together that I haven't bothered like making any videos. So quick rundown of everything that's been done. We put a new oil cooler in. We had to make new brackets to mount it and change the pipes a bit so that we could make it all fit. And there we go, changed the elbows. They were 90s, now they are 45s. The radiators come back, powder coated it. It's got to get a nice new cap for it, so it looks all nice and fresh, I guess, better than what it did. Intakes on, throttle, coupler, a nice little intake pipe over here, and it's got a reducer from 4.5, because it's a 4.5-inch filter, down to 4, down to 3, because it's a 72mm throttle body. So maybe it will create like a Venturi effect, creating more turbulence and more airflow into the motor. In the intake track we've got air temp sensor, water meth nozzle. Wiring has been done. I did the wiring previously. That was number 1 and that was number 4. Now we've had to change it up. That's 1 and that's 4, because the camshaft, the belt used to be this side, and that's cylinder number 1. Now we've got the chain that side. Now that's cylinder number 1. Fuel lines we've run directly from the tank It goes all the way underneath over there, comes up there, through the rail, comes back this side. Had some old pipe laying around from one of the cars I stripped. Might as well just put it in, make it look a little bit better than rubber pipe. I made a makeshift bracket over here to hold it up. Not the best, but you know what, it's working for right now. I've got to think of something a little bit more inventive. Through the regulator return fuel pressure sensor on the regulator. This used to be an oil pressure sensor, now we're going to use it for fuel. We've got VTEC wired up over there. Widened did that over the weekend, thank you. And then we've got the headers. He also wired in the cam angle sensors. Today he's going to come through and finish off the crank angle sensor. I think the VTC wiring has been done. Yeah, it has. VTC's got the wire on it, so just got to pin it to the ECU. Power steering deletes on. Alternators wired up. Radiators in. We made a plan to use all the old pipes so that we didn't have to go and spend unnecessary money, because at the moment the money is running thin and it's costing me a lot more than I expected. I'm going to use this for the water temperature instead of blanking that off. We've got the little oil catch can over here, nice little 16mm hose. Just got to get a clamp for that side, and literally just self tapper screws into the firewall. Only got 3 in because over here we can't get a power tool, but 3 is more than enough. It's quite solid. And I made an adapter because this was 12mm outlet over here. Made a 16mm outlet over there so that we could just join it one time. Blanked that guy off, left this open as the breather, put a filter on that, and then that's done. Got to go pick up the strut braces today. They all got powder coated. Got the guys coming for windscreen tomorrow. They're going to put a new windscreen in here. And then this is my dilemma that I'm still busy struggling. I've got a whole bunch of wires that I've put lugs on, and they're going to connect to the opposites over here. Got this nice, whatever you want to call this, switch operator, whatever. It's going to tell me my voltage, very important. And then I'm going to have USB, and then I've got to put a dash in there. Got this guy wired up, which is the Bluetooth module, so I can get a screen in there via Bluetooth. Shifters in, first, second, third, fourth, 5, 6, and then reverse. Obviously, gonna put the solenoid onto the gearbox so that when we put it through a relay and we press that, and then we put the reverse light on. That means the solenoid's activated, and that means you can never put it into reverse while driving. Cool, young update. It's like 3 days later. I haven't had no time whatsoever to do any filming, holding the camera whatsoever. I've been busy with the car. The bumper's off at the moment. The bumper was on, but we are like 90% finished. We've got Pums over there sorting out the belts. He already gave that new seat that's going into the car a nice little clean. Thanks, Pums. Yeah, thank you, Pums. Thank you. Okay. Yeah. This is what the car looks like at this moment in time. We've got the fresh rubber on the new wheels. Test fitted them, they all seem to be good. Windows are in. Got some rivets, riv nuts. Busy with the 2 front windows. Got to do that. They're busy drying the paint. We've got the rear window in, wings on. Josh and I made a big boo-boo. We bolted the bolt right through the wing. Got Widened here sorting out the last bit of wiring, and then it's time to crank this bitch up, make it sing. Yeah, last night we were here till, I don't know, 10 o'clock, trying to get everything sorted. Yeah, the other 2 windows are cut for the front, so we had to mask it up and spray this black so that you get that nice finish, so you don't see the bolts and everything underneath. There's the bumper. The hood just came back this morning, if I'm not mistaken. Got a nice little vent up in there, extract all that hot air. Still got to cut a section of this exhaust off so we can extend the current exhaust. And that's the update. First try? First try never works.
Yeah, unless it's a stock ECU, proper tune and all that.
Factory car.
Yeah.
Get in there though.
Get in there. Killer B will will be
Killing bees.
Yeah, it will be killing bees, man.
As you can see, we're transferring into night. We've got a young guest. Hello, Val.
What's up?
He's as happy as I am. You catch fright?
Oh, we're fucking wrecking now, man.
Oh, nice.
There's fire. That means there's spark.
Is there fuel?
I know, does it taste like fuel, Josh?
Well, it tastes like breaking now.
There's braking.
Whoa!
Keep cranking, keep cranking.
Oh, fuck, that's fucked. I don't know if I just fucking ran to fucking stop the fire. Oops. You shit
I
yourself.
know you're from Edenvale, bro, but you can't beat a fire. With a
I did it with big scar and work.
no, that was a little fire, that was a big fire.
Oh, the big scar was a mess.
Keep it close by, so it doesn't get smothered. That's all.
Just cover it, just cover it.
First cover it.
It was inside of the filter. I covered it with the filter.
Filter's gonna be fucked.
That filter is fucked.
I breathed all of that in.
You shouldn't have sprayed while there was fire. I wasn't the smartest
I
move.
didn't spray while it was fire.
You
I
did.
saw the fire and then I was like,
I've got it on film. You want to see it?
yeah, fuck.
Too much compression.
It's good though. When it runs right, it will.
Have a look at this filter. Was brand new.
Fuck yeah.
It's a little bit fucked everywhere.
I'm Mr. Body Catcher, Slaughter Gang Soul Snatcher. Ain't no regular F-150, this a fucking rapper. No capper, street nigga, not a rapper. Chopper hit him and he turned into a booty clapper.